Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're passionate about history, architecture, and the hidden stories behind legendary landmarks, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most iconic structures in Catalonia, the Girona Cathedral, a place where history and faith intertwine across centuries. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our next historic journey. Welcome to Girona, a city where every stone whispers stories from the past, and where faith, power, and architecture have collided for over 1,000 years. Across the globe, civilizations rise and fall, each leaving behind monuments of their beliefs. Girona Cathedral, officially known as Catedral de Santa Maria de Girona, is a remarkable testament to that journey. It stands not only as a place of worship, but as a symbol of resilience, transformation, and artistic triumph. Before it became the monumental structure we see today, this sacred site bore witness to centuries of change. Long before the Muslim conquest of the Iberian Peninsula, a humble Christian church stood on this very hill. In 717, the Moors transformed it into a mosque. But history had more to write. When Charlemagne's Frankish army reclaimed the city in 785, the mosque began its transition back into a church, officially re-established in 908. From there, the evolution of the cathedral became a masterpiece in motion. By 1015, the church was in poor condition, yet what followed was a bold architect, Euro rebirth in Romanesque style, completed by 1064. The iconic bell tower rose in 1117, overlooking the city like a watchful guardian, but Girona wasn't finished yet. In 1312, new visions took shape. The cathedral embraced the soaring elegance of Gothic architecture. By 1416, the central nave was reconstructed, and what a marvel it became. With a width of 20.98 meters, it is the widest Gothic nave in the world, second only to St. Peter's Basilica in Rome. But beauty is in the details. Between the late 17th and early 18th centuries, the cathedral's grand Baroque facade came to life, adorned with dramatic sculptures and intricate carvings. It was the final brushstroke on a canvas, painted over 7 centuries. Girona Cathedral isn't just stone and mortar. It's a living chronicle of conquest and reconquest, of faith lost and reborn, of art that endures the test of time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey through time, give us a thumbs up, share it with fellow history lovers, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing stories from around the world. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.